In this short video, I will talk about our suggestions for the public. More than 30 experts are working on bringing suggestions to public. We have to discuss now suggestions to avoid micro and nanoplastics. Suggestions are to avoid micro and nanoplastics. It's quite difficult now. Plastics is everywhere in water and soil, and also in the food and in the air. So it will be good to drink filtered water with nanofilters and avoid using PET bottles that have been left in the heat and sunlight. We have to pay attention to selection of the meat and fish products from large seas, clean seas. High altitude sources should be used, and skin and organs of the seafood should be avoided because they are mostly exposed to plastics in the water of the seas. Plastic tea bags should be replaced with a loose leaf tea, and also plastic packages. When you open big stupor packages at home, a lot of plastic is released to the air. It was a very exciting moment when we were having a TV set when we were a child at home and opening the package. But nowadays we have to be aware that there's a lot of plastic going to air from these stupor packages. The package should be opened outdoors, and we should not inhale what comes out from the package. Plastic containers and kitchen utilities should be avoided, and food should be stored in glass or high quality steel containers, and plastic cutting boards, containers should be avoided in the kitchen, and it's important to use against steel and glasses. And for the clothes, there's synthetic fabrics. Many of them contain plastic that are releasing the fabric and that are inhaled, and it's important to wash with cold water. Consider microfiber laundry bags to capture released plastic. But this is a very open area for inventions and for research. We are not so sure which plastic is released and which plastic can be inhaled. Studies should go on in this, but in the meantime, we should still use natural cotton, wool, linen, and that's important not to use low quality plastics in our clothes or in the clothes of our children. That's all I have today for this topic. I thank very much to our co-workers.